And today it's the development of January 2023. There's Somerontie estimate of again 2 to 8, and building 2 staircases to be the last one to be filmed in this part of this residential building complex, but we still have 8 more to film later. Those are the staircases D, E, F, G, H, I, and K and L. We have 5 floors here, so was added in 1996. 25 years old in 2020. Using recipe 1KE 195. Invest these 4 press headquarters. No, 995, 996.
Yeah.
Interesting. And yeah, so this everything dates back to 1964 originally, and all the elevators were added at the turn of the year 1996, 97.
Yeah. Strange.
It's forgettable.
Yeah.
And they did that by making all the staircases narrower to make room for building the additional elevators here.
Yeah.
We needed the light. Light on, so need to turn it on.
These Paki wines maintained by Schindler.
Mostly floors 3 and 4 have been used.
Yeah.
Some rubber isolation hanging down from the window.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching us.
That's